Hi, my name is Libby Romero, and I'm a 5.5 year pancreatic cancer survivor. And I just did a video a little while ago. I had a PET scan just not that long ago. I walked over to where the radiologist couldn't go over my study, and he went over the study with me. And so there are two new areas that lit up. There's an area that they've been keeping an eye on all along, and that did not light up. It's still unsure. It's a hazy density, and they're not sure what it is, and they can't biopsy it. And so that area has been the area where they felt has been the tumor all along, but that, like I said, that didn't light up. But there are two new areas that lit up. There's an area in the pancreas that lit up, and then there's an area, there was a spot in the liver that they were also keeping an eye on, and that did not light up. But there's a new area in the liver that did light up. And then there's a little tiny area down in my lumbar spine. And they asked me if I fell, which I haven't fallen, but they said there's a little area there, and they're not sure what that is, but it's suspicious. So pretty much confirms that I have a reoccurrence, and I have an appointment with my oncologist next week. So we'll see what he has to say. And I've had CTs and MRIs in the past, but this is the PET scan is a bit more accurate, and it shows a lot more. The radiologist was saying, it shows a lot more than just a CT. But anyway, yeah, I had my moment when I came over here, but I've got myself together. And when you believe, when you have your faith and your faith is strong, that doesn't mean that you're perfect or you handle certain things. When you have your religion and you have your faith, that means that you hold on to something. You know that there's something greater than you, and you hold on, and then you trust. And that faith gives you the strength to fight and go on and to clear your head and put your emotions aside. And it's really hard, but it's important when you're facing something that, this is very fearful. It's like fear. It's like, I would say not even an inch, but I would say, just a hair away from in front of my face. And I face it head on. And when you trust in God, you know that when God is with you, nothing's against you. So my journey continues, and I have an appointment with my oncologist next week, and I will update you. But for right now, I can't wait to see my son Robert, and he's on his way, and I can't wait to give him a big birthday hug, because those are the things that matter, these moments, making memories and moving forward. Love you, God bless, and I'll update you.